Just hit
Okay,
me.
now.
Pete the Cat, Trick or Pete, what? By James Dean.
By Trick or
Okay,
Treat.
ready?
Trick or Treat.
It's Halloween. You guys, when was Halloween?
Yes.
Yesterday. Pete the Cat is excited to go trick-or-treating in his superhero costume. I hope nothing too spooky happens, says Pete. What's behind that? Oh my goodness. It's what is it?
Witch.
Oh my gosh.
But it's not real.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's not real.
Don't worry, says Pete's dad. We have our flashlights. Let's go trick-or-treating, says Pete. Do this one. Wait. Not that one yet. Boo! A spider. Pete and his dad walk outside. Whoosh!
Ooh, ooh, ooh,
The
ooh.
wind rustles the leaves, and Pete sees something moving in the tree.
Ooh, ooh,
It's
ooh.
just an owl. That wasn't too spooky, says Pete. That's a weird-looking owl. It's got a hook nose. They arrive at the neighbor's house. Pete
Okay,
rings the
wait.
bell, and he hears a strange sound coming to the door. Boo! Meow! It's just Callie, Pete says. She's not too spooky. Callie joins Pete and his dad trick-or-treating. At the next house, there's something in the yard. What is it? Phew, it's just a scarecrow, says Pete. That's not too spooky. Are you guys scared?
No. I've seen this book before.
Pete rings the doorbell. Trick or treat, says Pete and Callie. Boo! Awesome costume, says Pete. Very spooky, but not too spooky.
It's
Thank
a
you, says
flower.
Mrs. Gold,
It's
the
a
crossing
flower.
guard. At the next house, there's something glowing on the steps. What is it?
Pumpkin.
Oh, cool, says Pete. Jack-o'-lanterns. That one looks like Caleb, and that one looks like Kylie. And
No.
that one's Aunt Melody.
No, that one's you.
Oh, it's me.
Yeah, it's you and Melody and,
Together?
and my mom.
Okay. Callie rings the doorbell. Trick or treat, says Pete and Callie. What's this one? It's Pete's teacher. One piece of candy each, she says. What is she dressed up as?
A cowboy.
A cowgirl. She's wearing a dress. It's a cowgirl. Suddenly they hear something behind them. What was that? Asked Callie.
This.
Go. Oh, it's just our friend Emma, says Pete. Not spooky, but groovy.
Caleb, you can help me hold it.
She's groovy. What does groovy mean?
It means staggering.
Staggering?
No, style.
Oh, style?
I don't
Okay.
know what it means.
One last house and then we'll go home, says Pete's dad. Pete rings the bell. Ding dong. Yikes! It's a spooky ghost, screams Pete. Ah! Oh, don't be silly, Pete. It's just me, says Grandma. Callie and Pete get treats and hugs. Trick-or-treating wasn't too spooky at all.
But the next house.
It was actually full of sweet surprises.
The end.
Happy Halloween! You guys say it.